Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's April 17th, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. Got the sprinkler going. Just got finished watering the animals and feeding them. So right now everybody's happy. I'm happy because there is a blue sky and sunshine. It is about 48 degrees, so it feels a little warm out here. Hopefully the temperature keeps going up because I like it hot. And Bella's in there eating with her babies. Yeah, they're doing good. I believe we're going to keep this little guy right here. This is Oreo. The other one there is going to be sold, I believe, or it's for sale. So, not sure if we're going to castrate them or sell them as is. Here's my mouse inspector. I haven't seen her get any for a while, so that's a good deal. Edith, you have to wait. You get grain later. Go eat your hay. You're a complainer. Be a good animal like Brandy. Brandy's just kind of peaceful, quiet. Not a big problem goat. Wally still doesn't have babies. Wally is kind of a whiner problem goat. Yes, you are. What are you doing? Trying to break out? Silly pig. It's wire. Don't chew on it. I still gotta get that off the trailer.